more so. Okay, when you're talking about something that you're watching on TV, so you have to say what it is, and then on TV. I'm watching a drama on TV. I'm watching a movie on TV. So like that. Something on TV. Here is your soba. I don't maybe I can't really eat soba. Too much minerals. I see. So, people are getting hungry because of the soba. Okay. After class, yes, you can go home and yes. Ordinarily, like in a normal day, yes, I don't cook much. I don't cook a lot, but when I do, I make the same dish over and over, or I make the same dish again and again. It's okay, also okay. Over and over, or again and again, again and again. It's okay. You can use over and over.